Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw an Animal Hospital Anomaly surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Animal Hospital Anomaly surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to take my paper and line up the corners, giving it a nice fold down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, giving it another nice fold. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines to show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin by drawing the head of our little anomaly character. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to make a line that's going to curve up, and then we're just going to bring this down. Then right here, I'm going to make this line go down and then up like this. Now, starting here for the ears, let's just bring a line that's just going to come up and then down like this. And we'll do that same thing here. We're going to bring this line up and down like this. Now, for the eyes, let's just make a line that's going to curve like this, and then we're going to do that same thing here. We're going to kind of bring this curved line up and then right to here. Then we're going to bring this down and up, and then same thing here, down and then up. Now inside of here, let's make a nice big oval shape, and then we're going to do another nice big oval shape here. Then let's put a circle in here for a reflection inside the pupil. We'll do that same thing here. We'll do a little bump for the nose. Now, starting right here for the arms, I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve down. And I'll make a line that's going to curve down here. We'll make a little circle shape here. And a little circle shape here. Bring this line here. Bring this line here. Then we're going to come in just a little bit. Then we're going to bring this line down and bring this line down. Right on the stomach, we're going to make this kind of like oval shape with a flat top for some detail. Then we're going to make like a little smile on here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have two halves of our little anomaly character. Now the first thing we want to do is I'm going to bring this line kind of down and then in a little bit. And same thing here, kind of down and in. Then I'm going to bring this line down. And I'm going to go ahead and bring this line down right to this line. Now for the top of the mouth, let's make this line kind of curve up. We're going to go over, back down, and curve back up. Next, we're going to bring this line down. We're going to curve it around and bring it up into a big smile. Now for the teeth, we're going to make two big sharp teeth right in the front. Then we're going to make some smaller sharp teeth back here. And same thing here, some smaller sharp teeth. Then we're going to make a row of sharp teeth down here. And a row of sharp teeth down here. We'll do one more. Then right here for the tongue, we're just going to make this curved line. And then we're just going to make kind of like a little pointed line like this at the bottom. Then right around here, we will make a little curve for like the back of the mouth. you go. There's your drawing of an Animal Hospital Anomaly surprise fold. So when we all have it all folded up, we've got our little anomaly. And then when we open it, we see the mouth wide open. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.